All right. Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And thank you for being with me today. Today, I want to answer the question, who qualifies for VAWA cancellation of removal? All right. And so VAWA, the Violence Against Women Act, allows a person who is in deportation proceedings, who is in removal proceedings, to cancel their removal. All right. And this is done on Form E-42B. All right. And so if you're going to do that, there's 4 requirements to meet to get cancellation of removal through VAWA. First, you've got to show that you were the victim of either being battered or subject to quote unquote extreme cruelty, which I'll talk about those things in a separate video. But if you were the victim of battery or extreme cruelty by either a U.S. citizen or a green card holding spouse or parent. All right. So if you have a U.S. citizen, spouse or parent, or a green card holder, spouse or parent, who has been abusive or extremely cruel to you, then that's the first big requirement. All right. The second requirement is you have to show that you've been physically present in the United States for a period of 3 years, much better than the regular cancellation statute, which requires 10 years. So you've got to show 3 years of physical presence. You've got to show 3 years also of quote unquote good moral character, which I have videos explaining what that is all about. And you've got to show that your removal would cause quote unquote extreme hardship. Okay, those are the 4 requirements. If you can show all of those things, you can win cancellation of removal, which is actually your application for a green card to allow you to stay in the U.S. That's all I wanted to say today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it was helpful. If you have been the subject of battery or extreme cruelty, then you might have immigration options. Even if you're in immigration court, yes, cancellation of removal, which I discussed today, might be the best option. If you're not in immigration court, there's a way to do what we call a self-petition through VAWA. There's also U visas. There's also other options. If you've been abused, if you've been the subject of extreme cruelty, one, you're not alone. And I want you to know that you're not alone. Our office has many clients actually who have suffered through that. And 2, you don't have to continue in that. So don't tolerate it. Do not tolerate it, and figure out what the best strategy is to fix your immigration case, but really get out of the abuse. And so, good. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And if this was useful, please subscribe to our channel. Please like us or like the video. Let the internet know it was useful information. And best of luck. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.